Strathfield Mall, or Strathfield Plaza as they like to be called. Outside of Strathfield Plaza. Beautiful. Quite sure what this is called. Strathfield Square. Now go to Strathfield train station.
Search National Security Hotline Australia. If you are in immediate danger, always call 000. Are reporting suspicious activity. You're not being community center.
Sorry.
Go out on the weekend and wash. Like, you know, it's just like it. Like at dinner, like she won't even have a drink.
No, going to Lincoln. Yeah. Thank you. This platform? Thank you. Thank you. People running to work, running to school.
Platform.
This guard tower. Looking for the guard. Morning. Here they are. There we go. Morning. That's me, yeah. This right here or?
Yeah, it will be just somewhere around here.
Yeah, alright, awesome. Making a little bit nervous, this platform. On an angle. So I have to make sure I've got the brakes on. So you see on the right hand side here, the brake. Train's coming now. Is it? We'll take that other platform. not really that much in Strathfield that I want to tour around and have a look. One thing's for sure, it's reasonably accessible. And another thing's for sure, the platform staff at all the train stations are quite good as well. The lady downstairs I just spoke to, she's normally from the Lidcombe station. She's also been at Ashfield, so she knows who I am, she knows where I'm going. So now we're on platform 8, waiting for the train to go to Lidcombe, and then from Lidcombe we'll go to Bankstown. Train should be due in about a minute. Another thing about Strathfield station, to go from the street outside Strathfield Square to the station concourse itself, it's a very steep ramp, no lift. It would be good if it was rejuvenated, put lifts there. There's a lot of elderly people around that I've seen walking with walking frames. I hate to see what happens if they go down that slip. Here comes the train. You're right.
God bless you, sir. Have a beautiful day.
You too. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Take care. Hey, Colin, what's up?
Good, mate. How are you?
Good. I went to work today, forgetting I'm still on annual leave.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
That's dedication for you.
Yeah, Sean says, what are you doing here? I'm like, I'm due back to again, no, not until tomorrow. Okay, so you can stay. I said, no, I'll go home.